Good morning, everyone. It's Lauren, the female filmer. Welcome back to my channel. It is 2 Saturdays before Old Threshers, which is kind of a chaotic day. That's when a lot of things start. So like the campers started moving in. I think they started letting campers in the campground at like 8 a.m. this morning, and there's already like a huge long line. So that was crazy. So they're pulling tractors out, they're pulling traction engines out. Railroad wise, safety class is going on. We have other people working on projects. It's just a lot of chaos. So much to do, so little time. 1779 is alive. Here she comes. She had to have her trucks rebuilt by Gomaco, so it's been a few years. Does anyone remember when she went out? 21. 21? There's the other one.
Yeah, you know, they probably do it for anyway.
Trolley bond. The Yarmouth Depot. We were on the second official lap around the loop. They finally put the banner back up after, I don't know, a million years.
Oh, so you can get that.
Why do you want that?
Look at Justin being a trooper.
What's up?
I said, look at you being a trooper.
Eh.
Punching the flues.
That's the question why it's called punching flues.
So they filled the tender for hydro, except before they hydro, a couple bricks came loose on the top of the 6's firebox. So we're gonna replace those real quick because we need them to cure so we can fire her up. Thankfully it was just a handful. And then it's hot. For like heat indexes of like 106, it is.
Is that why I'm sweating like a sieve?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
So it's a little toasty and my asthma is still acting up. So I can't breathe. It's fine. Who needs air and oxygen? And then I feel bad because like the first group is doing their safety class today, and oh, I bet they're enjoying the heat. You doing good up there, Elliot?
You bet. Almost done.
What are you doing?
I'm putting the black sealing strip on the rubber roofing. That seals the rubber roofing to the drip edge.
Nice.
It's nickel and dimes.
Shay being hydroed. So now that it's holding at pressure, they're inspecting to make sure there's no leaks in places we don't want leaks. Checking the plugs. Jesse's getting the bricks.
Who got to go in there?
I did the same thing the first time we had to cut it. It like drags the brick right in the blade.
Oh, yeah.
Morning. It is 11 days till Old Threshers, and it's hot and steamy this morning. It's a wonderful feeling. And just, you know, to add to that steam, I think we're gonna fire 6 up today. So she passed her hydro yesterday, which is good. We love that. So now I think we're gonna fire her up for the first time this year. So excited. I am living on caffeine at this point because there's so much to do. My lungs are still slightly killing me. It's fine. It's fine. The things we do for our passions, right? It's all good. So she's currently on natural gas. She's a little flame in her. Slowly warming her up. Maybe this afternoon she'll do some laps. So she is off the peg. We have steam. First time of 2025. And yeah, now we go through all these steps. So these little checklists that we go through. Slowly making gains. So we've been adjusting the pops, so keep a lot of getting it really close to popping it off, seeing where it lifts, where it seats. Fun time. I got a little too hot. I kind of burnt myself to a crisp, especially because like I'm still having asthma issues, so I may have done a little too much today. It's fine. Perfectly fine. There she goes. Kendall's watching the valve here. He's been working on it.
Well, hilly. Might as well do it.